Velvetty Gel. You don't need to have any of others solution at all. Only you need is your Velvetty Gels and then the base gels. If you don't do any encapsulate, you don't need a crystal clear. However, if you want to do encapsulate anything, you definitely want to have a crystal clear to definitely protect yours encapsulate as well as your ombre effects. So I have the one of the nails right here that this is 10 seconds only. And then I have the base gels already. We're here for 10 seconds only, and we are going to using a premium eye hold transfer foil. I'm going to show you how to do this really quick, simple, and easy ombre with the encapsulate. Ombre foil and encapsulate at the same times. All right, so premium eye hold transfer foil will apply about half of the nails or 60% of the nails, and then here for 30 seconds only. And in the meantime, we already have this one in 30 seconds done. So then we just like to making processes faster, but I'm going to show you on the next ones. And I have this colors right here, the purple. I just transferred this one. It's like blue, and I'm using the foil box. The foil box that I'm using is the number 71. I think it's smooth soda smoothie. It has so many of the cute colors. Either it's like marbling solids, and also it's a lot of cute the patterns here. So I'm going to using the solids one, and this is the color I'm getting, the purple. So now 30 seconds up already, and then we are going to add this piece right here. Give it a good like press down, rub it good. It should transfer really nice and easy. Okay. That's it. Perfect. And then this two are transfer already. It's only transfer where I apply it on. So now we have two of this already, and then we are going to do is the first one we're going to using is a violet. So you don't have to really like cap this one. It should be fine, because remember when you did it liquid and powder, we do need to add a top coat on, but with the Velvetty gels you do not have to. So I have also have the base gels right here, and a drop 1 or 2 drop in the plates right there, and then the dual Velvetty gel brush is ready for me. So one end I'm going to use this to pick up some of the some smaller beads. And this is the best thing about Velvetty Gel. You can get more or less. It's up to you. If you need more, you can absolutely add more on. And we'll put it really closer to the cuticle, just a hair away from the cuticles. You don't want to get it like too close. Okay. And then make sure you close this. It's violet, that's what I'm using. And my Velvetty Gel brush. Submerging my bristle into the base gel just a little bit. You don't need to saturate the brush. It's going to really like manipulating your Velvetty Gel so much easy. This is one of the way to do is to do enhancement nails without really like frustrated or stress about like, oh my god, my beads is setting and it's not even going the way I want it. A great way transitioning to also for the nail tech beginner, and also it's great for the nail tech who is love liquid and powder and want to offer additional service in the salon, just in case the client's like, I don't want to do is acrylics, but I want to get the enhancements nails on. Besides the gel extension you have, the clients want is more. It's not just gel extension, they want a little bit of more. I mean more, it mean that a more structure for the nails. You can absolutely offer the Velvetty Gel. So you see that how I'm doing it. I'm going to turn it on the side so you can see it's really gentle. You don't have to go really aggressive. And also the violet colors, this is beautiful, and it's also is glow in the dark, and also is changing the color. So like 2-in-1. I love the foil too. It's really cool. And I'm gonna go ahead when I'm happy with this. You can see that how it's blended really nice and easy. Go ahead oh my god, it looks good on the camera though. Blend it out. It's just great. You can continue blend it out as you needed it. I'm gonna give it a little bit of just thin layer. You know why? Because it's glow in the dark, so I want the whole nail to glow. Looks so cool. And the transitioning to this, and then you can like stop right here, flash here if you want to, or I'm gonna add just a little bit of a glitter. There's a newest summer and spring and summer's glitter. I love this. This is like just so see-through, so you can definitely encapsulate with yours velvety gels, your liquid and powder, however you would like yours glitter to be. And it's so fine, cosmetics great, so then you can definitely have so much fun. And it's like iridescent, and also it really cool and it's see-through, so it's not heavy glitter at all, but it's give it so a little bit of the hint of a glitter without like cover everything. You can see that how cool and how fine, how thin it is. Just a little bit touch. You know, keep in mind you can add it whole nails if you want to. Just a little go a long way. Maybe you get one of this and you'll last you maybe in the next 10 spring. Just kidding. But it means that there's so much in one jar, so then you can really enjoying it. Great ideas for the spring nails, summer nails. So excited. You can add more and more. So far so good. So now if you're happy with this, we are going to, looks good, we are going to flash cure for 30 seconds and then wipe up my bristle. We are going to using a crystal clear to encap the ombre and also glitter. I'm gonna pick up some crystal clear, really super clear. Oh my god, look at this, it's changing. It's changing the color.
That's so nice.
Is that cool? Huh. So nice. And then I'm gonna using that, close the lids, and submerging my bristle back into the beige gel. I'm using the beige gel right now. You don't need any other solution, because it's any of solutions such as alcohol, acetone, whatever you're using. This is might like break down your product, so you don't want that. You want your product to stay in really nice and in the same consistency. The consistency is really cool. So I'm gonna just blend it down. And you see that it's gonna be salt level, and even I'm working with this and it's salt level right now. So you don't necessarily have to be really is like mess a lot with this, and you just only need to do is just using your bristle and guide your beads. Look at that, it's 3 dimensionals of the glitter. All right, so I'm gonna just get in. Make sure you blend it and even them out. You can see that I'm just like really feather touch. If you see me doing it like this, it means that I didn't really messing around with this. I just want to blend the crystal clear, and then keep in mind you don't need any other solution. The best thing about this, if you are feeling getting like extra of the velvety gel, you can always remove them, or if you need more, you can always add more on. Look at that, how cool and how easy it is. I'm gonna go ahead and just turn it, like flip it upside down, so you can see how is easy and it nice is salt level. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. I'm gonna do this on my nails later. And just make sure you tape it on the side. Look at that. Okay. Cure for 60 seconds. Now we are going to phone cure for 60 seconds.